Elisa, give me back my comic! No way!
Hey! Watch out, girls!
Mom, that's mine! She took it from my drawer! No! I took it from the bookshelf! She's lying, Mom!
Well, stop it, you two. I took the comic book from your drawer and put it on the shelf, so Eliza didn't steal it from you. Please, don't make Aslam's visiting us a traumatic experience. Come on, why don't we sit together? I got big news for everyone. Today, I'll bring 3 of you to go camping in the woods. I'm pretty sure this will be the most exciting holiday. You'll definitely want to tell your friends later about it.
What? With her? Pretty sure she will ruin everything. Huh?
Don't worry, I'm well prepared. This is going to be the most beautiful camping you guys ever had. Inshallah. She's so happy to have a me time today.
It's mine! Ask Aslam to give yours back. It's 5 minutes already. You know the rules of 5 minutes, right? Now it's my turn.
Stop it. Stop it. Girls, give me the phone. Let's just turn on the radio.
What? How on earth? There's no signal here. Whatever.
Stop the fight. I need your help with the tents. Come on.
Tighter, Eliza. Even the worm is stronger than you. The soil is softer here, you know?
Hida, please, get us some dried twigs for the bonfire.
All right, Dad.
I'll look for something to eat near the river. Eliza, you can look after Aslam and our belonging here, okay?
Aye, sir.
Move, move, move!
Run! Come on, run! Hida, stay here and divert the bear's attention. I will run to the tent to take the inhaler, okay? You get it? Huh? Are you kidding? It's dangerous! I run faster than you. Please, divert the bear's attention so we all can be safe. You get it? Hey, Big Bear! Right here! Huh. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the inhaler? Where is it? Ah, got it. Hey, Big Bear! Right here! Ah! Here! Huh, huh. Huh? Oh no!
Alhamdulillah. Both of you succeed in going through this test.
Huh? So Aslam is not having an asthma?
That's right, man. He's important part of my plan. You finally realize you need each other. And most importantly, you love each other.
I'm sorry, Eliza. You are irritating sometimes, but I love you. I'm also sorry. Hida.
Love your siblings, brothers and sisters. Be their best friend forever.